Okay. So this is our third song by Aaron this session, talking about the 2 minor 5 1 progression. We're doing just the first 8 bars of Getting to Know You from the King and I in the key of G. And what we're doing is we're finding this progression we can use as a substitution for just a G and a D7. So let me turn the drum on. Let's just play the song just with a G and a D7 first. So a 1, 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you. Just a tired old D7, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. Now, there's nothing wrong with this. It's just kind of vanilla, and we're just fancying it up with an A minor, D7. We figured out that we have, 4 measures of D7 in this song, unlike the other 2 that we were doing, Mary Had a Little Lamb and Oh Dear, What Could the Matter Be? 4 measures. So the first option I showed you was a measure of A minor, a measure of D7. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, getting to know you, getting to know all about you. 1 measure, D7, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. And we can take those 4 measures and we can do 2 beats of A minor, 2 beats of D7, or as Jim was saying, he starts with a D7, he goes to the A minor. Experiment, see what feels right to you. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, and getting to know you, getting to know all about you. 1, 2, 3, getting to like you, getting to hope you like me. Let's do that again. Getting to know you, getting to know all about you, getting to